Wok-fried eggplant with Thai basil in our very own black bean sauce. The black bean sauce adds intense, savory, spicy, and umami flavor, while the Thai basil breaks it up with freshness. Assemble your ingredients and have them ready to go. The cook process is quick, you need to act fast. A pan is fine, but a wok works best. First of all, don't ever use an outdoor propane burner indoors. We're professionals! Heat the wok until it's smoking hot. Add the eggplant and chives and toss to cook. Add more oil if moisture is needed. When the flesh has turned color, add the black bean sauce, chicken stock, stir and bring to a simmer and let the eggplant soften up. Add the peppers, simmer and stir. Finally, add the basil. Toss and stir and reduce the liquid to a thick sauce. If you think it gets too dry, just add some more broth. Keep tossing. Use your judgment. The entire cook time is only 3 minutes. Serve right away. Eat it with rice. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and follow us on Instagram if you like this video. COVID-19 shut down our restaurant, so now we're food blogging. Stay tuned for more.